Single round robin tournament, also known as all-play-all tournament, is a format that provides an equal opportunity for every player to play against every other player exactly once. The benefits of this format includes:
it is ideal for smaller events with limited time frame. Whether you're planning to host a casual game at home or a small competitive game.
Because it allows each player to compete with all the competitors, it is fair and effective way to determine the overall best player.
However, if each player were to go against every player, wouldn't they experience fatigue? This is one disadvantage when using this tournament format. Although, this can be easily solvable by incorporating interval times in between matches that can give our players the rest they need, making this problem solved.
Now, to apply the concept, let's illustrate with an example. Suppose you have 50 players or entries. To start, let's solve for the number of games. The formula for that is the number of games is equal to the number of entries multiplied with the number of entries minus 1 divided by.
The first step, we will substitute. Since our formula is g equals n to the quantity of n minus 1 over 2 and our number of entries is 15, we will substitute the letter n for number 15. So 15, the quantity of 15 minus 1 over 2. Since 1 and 1 is constant and the over 2 is constant, we will not change them. So by following the PEMDAS rule, we will first solve the numbers inside the parentheses. So 15 and 15 minus 1 is equals to 14 and over 2. And next, we will now multiply the number 15 to the number of 14. So 15 multiplied by 14 is 210 over 2. So for the last step is 210 is divided by 2. So our number of games will be 105.
Now that we have the number of games, let's proceed to the second step, the bracketing. Now, the rule for bracketing is entries should be arranged in 2 even vertical columns. If the number of entries are even, this wouldn't be a problem. However, what if the number of entries are odd? This is where bye comes in. In a tournament, receiving a bye means a player will receive a free pass or automatically advance to the next round. This ensures that the matches or teams are even. Now, with all those rules in mind, let's proceed to the first round. Round 1. And since our number of entries are odd, we will add 1 bye. There. And then we will proceed to the number of entries. To keep it even, we're going to end on 7 and then continue to 8 in a counterclockwise manner. Now, since this one has a bye, it will automatically proceed to the next round. We have a first round! Yay!
Yay! To ensure the rotation, one of these will remain in its position. In this case, we will retain the bye.
Good job! Now that we've arranged each round in even vertical columns, we are now on the last step, the game planning. On the first step, we have solved for the number of games, right? What was the number again?
105!
Correct. With the 15 entries we have accumulated a game of 105 games. The second step, which is bracketing, we have written a total of 15 rotations with a total of 15 players and 1 bye. With that information in mind, we will now start the game plan.
To sum up, single round robin ensures fair competition by giving each player a chance to compete with every other player, making it a comprehensive way to determine the overall best player.